Good morning, Triana. Thank you for coming today. Could you tell us a bit about yourself and why you're applying for this position?
Good morning, Mr. Arif. Thank you for the opportunity. I'm Triana Putrascindi, a multimedia student at the University of Lampung. I have a strong interest in interactive media design and web development. This position is very relevant to my background, especially since I enjoy working on creative and functional projects that have a direct impact on users. I'm eager to continue growing in this field, and I believe this position will be an important step in that direction.
During your studies, what project has been the most memorable for you?
The most memorable project for me was when I developed a graduation equipment rental website for the university. On this website, user can order items like acrylic frames, says, and rubbers online. I was responsible for designing the user interface to ensure it was easy to use, as well as making sure the ordering system and stock management functioned smoothly. This project not only enhanced my skills in design and coding, but also gave me direct experience in creating practical and needed digital solutions.
That sounds great. Did you work on this project alone or as part of a team?
I work in a team. We divided the tasks based on our individual strengths. I focus on UI, UX, and front-end structure, while my team worked on the database and back-end communication and coordination were key to the project success. The challenge was aligning our ideas and ensuring a better work as planned, but we managed to complete on this time.
How do you typically handle pressure, deadlines, or a pile of text?
I usually start by processing text and breaking down large text into smaller, more manageable pieces. I use tools like Trello or Google Keep to track progress. When time is tight, I focus on the most important part first, while still making sure to maintain the quality of my work.
Speaking of software, what tool are you proficient in?
For graphic design, I'm comfortable using Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, and Premiere Pro. For web development, I use Visual Studio Code, GitHub, HTML, CSS, and basic JavaScript. I've also worked with SPSS for data analysis and Cisco Packet Tracer for the network simulation during my computer networking course.
Of all your experience, which one best reflects your abilities?
I think the graduation equipment rental website project best reflect my skill. It allowed me apply design expertise, teamwork, functionality, testing, and also to think from a user's perspective. I also learned the importance of responsibility when completing a project that has a direct impact.
If you're hired for this position, what's the first thing you'd like to achieve?
In the first 3 months, I'd like to adapt to the company work culture, understand the team workflow, and start actively contributing to ongoing projects. I also want to continue learning from senior colleagues to improve my technical and professional skills.
How do you stay updated with the latest trend in web development and design?
I stay updated by regularly following design blogs, test new websites, and forums like stage overall, I also participate in online course and webinar to learn new tools or technology. Additionally, I like to experiment with new features or designs in my own time, which help me stay current and enhance my skill continues.
Do you have any question for us?
Yes, I'd like to know more about how the team works here. Is there any training or mentoring for technical development? And do employees have the opportunity to develop new ideas?
We have an onboarding program and regular training for new hires, as well as open environment for creative ideas from everyone on the team. In fact, we have regular sessions for sharing ideas or new project prototypes.
That sounds very interesting. Thank you so much for the information. I'm really excited and hope to join this team.